Hi everyone, Brian from GardenMinutes.com here. We're in the middle of doing a garden soil refresh in our garden. That's why this garden grid doesn't have any plants. We're basically going to be removing some of the soil, adding in compost and fresh soil. That way we have a better nutrient balance for future plants to grow in here. Now, one of the little known things about growing with the garden grid watering system that you see right here is that it's not affixed to your garden. So that way, when you want to do a garden refresh or a soil refresh like we're doing here, you can very easily lift it out of your garden and place it back down when you're done. That way, the garden grid isn't in the way if you want to use different things like shovels or other tools that you'd like to use in your garden area. Then when you're all done amending, updating your soil, you simply flip it back over, lay it in your garden, and you're ready to plant.